How to buy ClawCraft token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going out buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the explainer and it created just 6 hours ago. And as you can see, it's increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 4 in the explainer under the base network. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token on the side as you can see and use your Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and from the top right corner, just click here and make sure to select the base network. After that, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. And now here you can type the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is it. Now just click on it to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. Just click here on the search bar and you can type the token name here. As you can see, it's Claw or ClawCraft like that. So after that, what you need to do is just click here on swap and now make sure to select the USDT for the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT like that. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, and after that click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ClawCraft token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.